Hello and welcome to programmerblog.net channel. Let us continue our PHP MySQL web development series, and in a previous video we learned about installation of PHP MySQL and Apache on local server using WAMP. So let us start learning about basics of PHP. PHP code is always written between the PHP tags. So there are standard tags and short tags. The standard tags start with a less than symbol, a question mark, and PHP. So there is no space between these words. And then we write our PHP code and end that code block with this question mark and greater than symbol. Short tags are used also, and the short tags don't use the word PHP, but it is a less than question mark, write the code, and then question mark and greater than symbol. A PHP file can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP code itself. PHP code is executed on the server and result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML. PHP files are saved with the extension .php and are saved inside the root folder of our WAMP or XAMPP installation, that is htdocs or ww. So on the local system we access it using http localhost / your project folder name. Let us see what are language constructs. The language constructs are the elements that are built into the language. And one of the language constructs that we will use mostly is echo. Echo is used to print the output to the web browser. Echo 10 will print the number 10 on the browser screen. And this line, echo 10, is called a statement, and each statement in PHP ends with a semicolon. So if you will omit the semicolon, PHP will throw an error. So let us create our first project in PHP. Open the WAMP server folder on your system. Inside the WAMP server, there is a directory called www. This is the directory where we will keep all of our PHP project files. So over here, I will create a new folder and name it as PHP-MySQL. Before we start writing code, we need to install an IDE or a code editor for PHP. Visual Studio Code is a very popular IDE among developers. You can download it from Visual Studio's website. To download Visual Studio, visit code.visualstudio.com. You can download it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. After downloading, install the Visual Studio on your system. After Visual Studio installation, we will start writing PHP code. To open our project folder inside Visual Studio, go to File, Open Folder. After opening WAMP server folder, go to www folder and select our project folder and click on the button Select Folder. So click on this button, Yes, I trust the author. The interface of Visual Studio Code is very easy, and on the left hand side you can see our project folder, and on the top menu we have different options like File, Edit, Selection, View, Go, Run, and Terminal, and we will explore these options in the coming lessons. So first of all, I will create a new file inside our project folder. I will click this icon to add a new file and will name it as index.php. In index.php, I will add standard PHP tags. And inside these tags, I will write the PHP code. So the first statement that we'll write is echo 10. Open the browser and inside browser type localhost / php -mysql and press enter. And over here you can see that the number 10 is printed. Comments in PHP makes the code more readable. We can use single line comments or a multi-line comments. Single line comments can start with the double forward slash or a hash symbol, while the multi-line comments can start with the forward slash and a star sign and end with the star sign and a forward slash. I can also comment out a PHP statement by either adding a double forward slash or a hash symbol in front of it. Let me save and run this code again. I will refresh the page by pressing Ctrl plus R, and over here only hello world is printed.
While working on a project, our program needs to process different types of information. This information can be numbers, characters, or a data from database. PHP divides these data types into two types, a scalar data type or a composite data type. So first let us explore what are scalar data types. In scalar data types, we have integers. Integers are positive or negative numbers. Then we have strings. Strings can be a single character or a series of characters or sentences. Floating points can be numbers with decimal or exponents. Another data type is boolean. Boolean means that this data type will have two values, either true or false. And after scalar data types, we have composite data types. Scalar data type can store single value at a time, while a composite data type will store multiple values at a time. So composite data types contains arrays and objects, but we will learn about arrays and objects in a later lesson. So let us explore the scalar data type. Integer is a data type that can have positive or negative numbers, or it can have base 8 or octal numbers. If a number starts with a 0, it is considered as an octal number, and it can be a hexadecimal number as well. Hexadecimal numbers have a base 16. The floating point numbers have a fraction after a decimal point, or these numbers can have an exponent as well. Let us write a PHP program and work with the integer and floating point numbers. Open the browser and add the URL localhost/php-mysql. I will refresh this page and it will print 10. I can add any other number as well. Let us add an octal number, but an equivalent and base 10 number will be printed. I will refresh the page and you can see that 0, 1, 2, 3 is equivalent to 83 in base 10. I will add a hexadecimal number. As you might know that hexadecimal number starts from 0 to 9 and then A, B, C, D, E and F, where F is equal to 15. So let us see. If I save and refresh the page, 15 is printed. Let us explore the floating point numbers. Strings are sequence of characters that can be enclosed within double quotation marks or single quotation marks. The Boolean is a special data type in programming languages that can store either true or false, and the composite data types of arrays or objects. So let us see the string and Boolean data type in our script. I will add a double quoted string first. If I refresh the page, you can see that this is a double quotation mark string and a single quotation mark string is printed. I can add HTML markups inside the strings as well. So if I want to move this string to the next line, I can add echo, and inside double or single quotes, I can add a beer tag that is used to add a new line to the document. So if I refresh this, this line is moved to the next line. Let us see the Boolean data type. So if I print true over here, PHP will print 1. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detailed articles and tutorials, visit our blog programmerblog.net. Thank you and bye.